Yamaha's WR125R 2026 model is a lightweight yet capable dual-purpose bike designed to tackle both on-road and off-road environments. It combines agility, durability, and sportiness, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking an entry into adventure or enduro-style motorcycles. Engine and performance. The WR125R is powered by a 125cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. The 125cc liquid-cooled, SOHC, 4-valve, fuel-injected engine offers you thrilling yet easy-to-manage performance. Variable valve actuation, VVA, provides excellent ride character and impressive performance across the rev range both on and off-road. The small displacement keeps weight low and handling nimble, while still delivering enough performance for daily rides and trail use. Multifunction LCD instrumentation. The instrument panel is compact, with easy access to key information. Chassis for adventure. The agile chassis makes the WR125R highly capable and easy to handle even on rough terrain. The semi-double cradle frame provides great feel on varied surfaces, even when riding at higher speeds. The suspension consists of a 41mm KYB fork and a link-type monocross shock to smoothly absorb bumps and prevent bottoming out. The setup allows stable rides both on and off-road. Highly flexible riding position. Controlling the bike on any terrain is easy thanks to the flat seat providing a highly flexible riding position, which allows you to move freely on the bike, transferring weight to find the perfect balance. High fuel efficiency of over 40 km per liter and the 8-liter fuel tank, resulting in a range of 320 km. Note: range and fuel efficiency depend on riding style. Mentioned values are based on WMTC mode. Disc brakes with front ABS. Highly controllable and well-balanced braking power is available both on and off-road, thanks to a 2-pot brake caliper biting into a 267mm disc at the front, and a 220mm disc with a 1-pot caliper at the rear. Potential customers and use cases. Beginners and learners. For riders who want a manageable bike that can grow with their skills, the WR125R offers a forgiving platform. Adventure enthusiasts. Those looking to explore dirt roads and trails without plunging into large, heavy adventure bikes. Daily ride plus weekend fun. It's practical enough for daily use, yet capable enough for explorations on lesser roads. Genuine dual sport ability. The WR125R is a highly comfortable and enjoyable everyday ride with genuine dual sport ability to enable you to find adventures on any terrain. The torquey engine, agile chassis and proven off-road engineering behind its striking but simple design make it the perfect machine for you to explore new horizons inside or outside the city.